Hello guys, so today we are seeing one strange issue while checking into GitHub, right? So there's an issue saying that you cannot just check in your code with the password authentication. So GitHub has stopped supporting the password authentication. So I'll just demonstrate how to resolve this issue in Windows using you can solve this uh, if you are using Tortoise or you are using CLI. I'll show both the ways. So first I'm trying to check in one one small file which I've changed just to demonstrate this error. So if you will see, I'm trying just to see this error which is coming in here. So this error is saying that please use access token, right? It is saying support for password authentication was removed on August 13 and it is referring to some page. Let's open this page once in Chrome. Okay. So okay, so it is yeah, it is giving some processes. So let's do it. Okay, let's just check that process. So let's open GitHub, and here I'll go to the profile icon. There under that one, I'll just select the settings. Okay, so okay, so now this settings is having developer settings inside it. Okay, so now go for the personal access tokens. So if you'll see there is no token for me now. So I'll just create a generate new token. You can give anything literally here. So I'll just give something like new token. Okay. So and then expiration. So we have one no expiration, but that is not recommended. That is little bit risky. So I'll just give a custom days, some 1 year. So I'll just give for 2022 and I'll choose the month for August. Okay, so now let's choose this these access things. Okay, so okay, so now hit the generate token button and you will see this one token would be generated. So I'll just copy this token. Okay. Okay, so now we'll see the method that can be done without using a CLI. So what I'll do is I'll just search for control panel. You can search for control panel here, then the control panel opens here. Once it opens, go for the user account, or you can search here credentials also, credentials or credential. If you want to search it, this will open. You can open the manage window credential, the second option. Okay, otherwise you can go to this user accounts. Here you can open the credential manager. Once the credential manager opens, go for the Windows credentials. Okay, so so please get this path here: control panel, then inside that user account, then credential manager. So inside this Windows credential, if you'll scroll down, you would, or maybe in your system it would be on the top, you can see there would be something called git https github.com, right? Just open this, click on edit, then put your token here and save. I've already changed it, so I'm not changing it, but you can put it here and save. Then you can start your operations again. Then this is the way in Windows. In Mac, it should be in keychain. You can go to the keychain and do the same. So for CLI, I'll explain. So now as we have created the personal access token, so what we can do is the easiest way that I thought like to do this is just clone with simple code. So I'll just show you. Okay, so let's say I'll take this one. This is something which is there. Okay, see the username. The username is, you will find the username in your project. That is this one for me. For you can get it. Okay, so once you'll get it, then I'll just put that username here. Okay, the token you can copy from here. Okay, you got it. So the token would be this one. Okay, and the rest thing is your project path. Okay, the git path of yours that you can take it from here. Okay, this one you can just copy it and put it here. Okay, so I'll just put it here. The HTTPS is already there, so you don't have to put it here. You can put it at the beginning and then copy this one. So what I'll do is I'll just create a test folder near my project folder. I'll just create a test folder here, test, and what I'll do is I'll just test it. Okay, I'll just open the command prompt. I'll just put this. Okay, your command path should be the test folder path where you are putting it. You can just put this. Then I'll just hit it. I'm just trying to copy the clone the one the project. So it is cloned now. So once it is done, this credential will be stored inside your control panel where you are storing, where Git is storing the credentials. You can go and check in credentials control panel, and here you can put the credential, manage Windows credential. Here you can see there will be one GitHub, yes, modified today. You can see. Okay, so this has been done. So now as it is done, uh, I'll just change, so you can see the code is copied here. Okay, so now this is my original the project path which was there already. So what I'll do is I'll try to change some code here and see if that is working fine or not. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll come here and I'll change something, like I'll change this to this, and I'm saving it. So let that change come here. Okay, so that change came here. So I'll go to, let me close all these things. Okay, so I'll just come here and this is my path. So I'll just try with tortoise. So I'm just changes. I'm just writing anything. You can see this, that change is coming here. So I'll just have two files to be committed. So I'll just click here and commit and push. So let's see. Yeah, you can see I'm successfully able to push it. So this is all. So this is a very new change. So you can follow this video and do yourself. If you have any questions regarding this, you can put it in comment section. Thank you.